Kilometer Stau, wenn Sie da gerade unterwegs sind. Bitte bilden Sie eine Rettungskasse. A44 Kassel nach Dortmund zwischen Sierenberg und Warburg. 9 Kilometer Stau.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, but I got a new daily and I wanted to show you. It's an E90 335i LCI, so it's one of the last N54s. Unfortunately, no M package, so no M sport bumpers and stuff. But I got some nice M options checked though. I got the steering wheel, I got the nice sport seats and suspension, but suspension already gone. And yep, I already got some issues. N54, you know, some wastegate rattle and an overboost issue, and I want to check it out. So I want to go to the Autobahn and reproduce it. It shouldn't take long. If I keep it like this, a little bit higher revving, and keep it like this for a little bit more, for a few seconds, then we already got the issue. So I give it a little bit. Still nothing. I give it fifth and rev a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. Got it in fifth. This is what we got. Turbocharger charge, air pressure too high, and then the code that comes with it is boost pressure control deactivation. So 30FE and 3100. Let's go back to the garage and fix the issue. Already replaced the rear solenoid, but the front door is a little bit tight, so I removed the vacuum canisters out the bay and put the fluid tank here, and now I can get to the front one. So, test run it is. Still nothing yet. Maybe that was it. So no issues so far. I think this was it. I think we're done. I will test it out a few times, maybe in the evening when the Autobahn is empty, but I think it was it. Would be nice. yeah, so this is it, my new daily. As you can see, I already lowered it and put some BBS wheels on it. I lowered it on some ST suspension. Putting them in and working on the E90 was really nice. It's a nice car to work on the suspension. And yeah, this is it. Let's see what happens next. Still a lot to do, so see you in the next one.